Srinivas Salike, an LCIP graduate, recently completed LCIP, a wonderful speaker, wonderful presenter. Is from 320B, and he was current year is the advisor of GAT of 320B. Welcome, Lion Salike. I request you to take this session on power of leadership. Thank you very much. Please go ahead. It's yours now.
Okay, my dear friends, namaskar to all of you. Welcome to Gate to Empower. I thank the organizing committee for giving this opportunity to spend few thoughts as a learner in front of you. Hope we each of us will have a good learning experience for us. But before going into the session, let me speak something, something ahead. What our Jagan Mohan Reddy sir has said is about autocratic leadership, democratic leadership, laissez-faire leadership, visionary leadership, coaching, and the servant, which he was talking more about. Everybody knows autocratic and democratic. Most of you might have not heard a laissez-faire leader. What really happens to a laissez-faire leader is a person who will not take decisions. That is the biggest problem from his side. So this is what really happens to a laissez-faire leader. But being a personality with a leadership styles, these styles doesn't make everyone a powerful leader. If we really want to have a very powerful leader, the power which comes to each one of us should really show what caliber you can make and how you can persistently make your things across your followers or across your people to follow you and see that what really can be done. That's more important rather than anything else. Let me talk to you something, this is what the power of leadership. The power of leadership is something, which gives every individual to say something, to do something. So most of the times what really happens is we have power, but how do we use our power? How we make the power? But the person who uses the power in the most systematical way is one who is a very successful leader, if you really ask me. And every leader has a different approach and different ways of styles in doing things. But thing is, how powerful you are, how you are able to make your people to work is more important. A leader never works. He makes his followers to do, and he makes his followers to work on his behalf. In that, let me tell you a quote which is well said by John Maxwell. Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. Listen, there are three key letters in these leaders. Everybody can be a leader, but how you are using your leadership abilities, how you are making your people to work, and how you are able to be at the helm of the affairs, and how you are able to deal with the things across is more important rather than everything. No, you cannot be great by just becoming a leader. And itself, the other one is the power is not that which is giving you something which you have to do. It is not because of your power. People will not ask you anything. But only thing is, people want you to empower. People want the others also to contribute their own life. People want themselves to contribute, be part of the contributory skills. Let them show the exemplary skills what they have. That is which is very important for us to carry. And then it is most important, that when you make empower, you need to make your own areas. You have to check. So by empowering people, how you can be a powerful leader, I'm going to share some 6 points to you, which will really help how powerful you are going to be. The first most important thing is changing paradigms. Don't forget the old ways, what you are doing. Think something new. Let me tell you, whatever you do, people should say that, kya baat hai? What's this? Awesome. We speak something. These are the words that has to come. So that's where the new way of things you have to do as a leader. These things can happen only when you make your own self involved in making people to work. It's a case, it's not about the power, it is about how empowering you are doing it more important. Most of us know that in the past, about 30-40 years back, we had ambassador car. People used to possess with utmost satisfaction that I have a best of the car, which is India's best car. But see, when the Maruti has come, 800, people thought ambassador is too big. It's too it's very big. It can be a parking problem or something. Then the Maruti, which was very small, people went across Maruti. But see, after 30 years, now people want those long cars, big cars. See the paradigm, how it changes, like the thing which is most famous yesterday may not be the best today, may not be the utmost the best tomorrow. It's a challenging time. Most of us will make things, but one thing is, when you make your paradigm, you use your power, when you empower people 100%, I am sure that you will not be a reactor. You are going to be a creator in this world. The creation is something that makes most of the people wealthy in terms of knowledge. So that's where we have to look at. The most important factor we forget is we don't try to see the something new things. We need to do something, in the new fashion. What you make is more important rather than anything else. Most of us, like try to do something, like which you don't try to make some new changes in yourself. Like when you try to make when you make those new things, I'm sure you will be able to manage the shows. Like one thing, if you want to have the best of the personality, and if you want your followers to be the best, I'm sure you have to be a creator. The creator is not something but you have to allow people to work. That's where we need to have the empowerment. The second one, where we have to have a vision alignment. A person who doesn't have a vision is certainly going to perish his life. That's what you have to be always remembering. Let me share you one small incident. Like when John F. Kennedy was there in Washington, when he was talking about the Congress, when there was a meeting, he said, let us send our man to the moon, but let him come back safe. That's what he said. You have to be specific in your vision. See, like any individual wants to have appreciation or recognitions. That's most important for us. The recognitions, like by sitting here, you should always feel that, okay, this is what the award I'm taking. This is what the recognition I'm going to get. That's what you have to always keep in your mind. It should be a strategic. You have to make a strategy how you can align the vision, because individually you are not going to deliver things. You are using your own friends, your own followers, your own learners, your own force which is going to be there with you. You have to use those strategies. You need to make all those things to work, and then you have to be something, like a different who is having higher aspirations. Like anybody, I don't think that anybody in business or something, whatever you do, you never think that my business, I'm doing this 1 crore this year, okay, next year I'll do 1.1 crores. It doesn't make a difference. You need to have an ambition of at least a growth of 10% or 15% or 20%, which should be a realistic one. It should not be unrealistic what you do. Suddenly you say 1 crore business, I'll shift to 2 crores, double. It's absolutely impossible. So we should have the vision, and then the alignment is necessary. The reason is, maybe you have hundreds of thoughts coming in, hundreds of things which happen across you, but you need to align those things in a proper fashion, give a proper direction to your people who are working along with you. And those people, when you make the collective efforts along with your members, I'm sure you will make your things more simpler rather than anything else. The other one is working with challenges. I'm sure any lion who is here sitting today is always ready for challenges. The challenge makes a person more perfect, if you ask me. If you don't have a challenge, you will have nothing in your life. Like you have to map yourself. I mean to say map in the sense, like you have to map in your mind how I am going to do this. Who is going to make the best things? How I am going to accept this obstacle or challenge which is going to be in my front? How can I move ahead? What is that it makes me to work? How I am going to take up this challenge? Like what are the other areas I have to work? In what way I can really make? Like that is one more important. Believe me, belief is one which gives every individual the bharosa, jo cheez hai na, that gives each one of us more complacent people. Like it not only satisfaction. I say that it is more important where how you make your own life is more important. That's where you have to be. For instance, like I have seen a lot of people, like lions, when you are asked to come and speak at the podium, you falter. But start believing in yourself that I can do it. Start believing in yourself that can be done. These are all the small challenges which are there. I'm talking about an individual. But when it comes to a group, when it comes to each individual, now you have to see where you are looking at where you are doing. But one thing is, always be a worth personality. People should think that this is what the challenge, when it comes, you take care of it. Let me tell you, there is heavy rain here. I have taken all the precautions, but still I was off for some time. Suddenly I shifted myself into my own mobile phone, and then I have done my own things. Now I'm back. See, challenges make you to learn. If you really ask me, accept those challenges. If you work, then that is the experience. What you gain is more important rather than anything else. The importance is one which you have to make a prioritize. And most important is, you have to believe that I can do it. If the belief is there, I'm sure the courage is going to follow behind it and say that, yeah, you can do it. You can make it. See, that's what you have to make in your own life. See, everybody has to face challenge. You know, like everybody, COVID-19 is a challenge now. The government says now you are going to live with your COVID. Yeah, everybody knows. Everybody knows what's the problem. But still, today, most of them are not taking, they are taking it easy. But I am telling you, it's a challenge for each one of us, how you mingle yourself in these the unsustainable situations, where we are. That's most important for us. You know, like we have to sustain our own self. You know, like the previous session, I was talking about endurance. Endurance is something, you know, like the way of life, what you lead, the way of life, how you are there. So these are the things that make each one of us to understand to what extent I can take up the challenge, to what extent I can work, to what extent I can do. See, this is where you have to tell. But one thing is, I am sure each one of us to test your own self. If you are not able to test your own self, you don't know where you can reach. Unless and until you don't experience it, you will not have that love for those things, what you are doing it. And 100% I'm sure that each one of you, when you try to look into all these aspects, I'm sure you are going to take up the challenge and say that, yes, this is what I have learned. This is what I'm able to do it. See, 100%, most of us, you know, like it has to be the best ones. What you do is more important. Coming to the next point is, follow your bliss. Bliss is something, you know, like what is there in me? You know, like I need to enjoy. If I don't enjoy, there is no point of me in life. I always speak romancing with life. See, unless and until you don't romance your work, you cannot do things. You have to enjoy. You have to enjoy the circumstances, whatever has come to you. You need to enjoy the place where you are living it. Now, each one of us are in the virtual meetings. Everyone is enjoying. I'm sure every faculty is participating, is enjoying this. You feel what they are doing it. You are somewhere, I am somewhere, some other is somewhere. So each one is in different nook and corners, and everybody is enjoying it. See, when you are listening, you are enjoying it. When we are sharing, we are enjoying it. And when we are sharing, I'm sure each one of the faculty who is here, including myself, are learning new techniques, learning new things. We may take 100 different methodologies, but at that right time, right thought, what makes is more important for us. So please try to have that. And when you have the follow your bliss, timing is more important. You have to follow the time. If you are not able to follow this time, there is no point. See, everybody's year starts on July 1st, ends on June 30. And you say that, boss, on 10th of July 2021, I am going to be the best person. What best person? What is that you have done? Nothing. Your time is only 1 year, 365 days. If you really ask me, forget 365 days. 270 to 300 days are perfect for you. Whatever you need, you have to do. I'm sure people have to remember what you have done. Leave that legacy. Leave that footprints, what you are doing it. See, unless and until people don't talk about you in your absence, there is no value for whatever you have done. I'm sure you can create your worth. You can make people to remember you only by saying or only by doing. This can happen only when you enjoy your position, you enjoy your term, when you enjoy the things, whatever are across to you. That's most important for us. The other one is bringing the best. We are going to work with different individuals in our organization, whether it is a professional or it is one personal. Now, relationship matters most. Relationships matter most. How you relate, how you make your own people, when they are working, remember the follow your bliss. Whether they are enjoying with you or not is more important. When you want to bring the best out of them, when you maintain those relationships, take the best in them. I'm sure when you take a person, and out of 10, he may have only 3 good, 7 wrong, 7 bad. Look at those 3. How can I use those 3? How can I use that? I can use a hammer and use those 3. Hammer in the sense doesn't mean that you have to hit the hammer on somewhere. It is where how I am going to make my own ice break on that personality. And how is that I can take the best out of him is more important rather than anything else. And then if you want to bring best of the people who are around you, you have to inspire them. How you inspire is most important. That inspiration can be a different style, different way, how you are doing, how you are making, what really you are making your people, how best you are able to make those people to understand is more important. And when you inspire people, that inspiration makes them that yes, this is what the leader who are looking at, who is going to empower us the things. Where you are sharing your power, if you really ask me. I am telling you, our Lions organization is only one who shares the power. When you go to any government organization, any of the companies, they don't share power. They only share their thoughts. They only share their work, but they never share the power. This, you have to be the most, I can say, luckiest person in this world, that you are going to be part of this, you are the part of this organization, wherein people are inspiring you, people are maintaining those relationships, and ultimately, like if you want to bring the best, what is that is most important? Achieving. After doing everything, if I don't achieve, I don't have anything to do. I am losing it, isn't it? And the last one I'm going to speak is about power of conversation. Speak to the people, take their opinions, work with them, understand those things, what really they want. How is that you can really make your own self better? The most important factor is, when you speak to people, you will be able to understand what they really have in their mind. When you speak to people, you will be able to know that what is that they want to implement. If you speak to people, you will be able to understand then what is their idea. If you speak to people, you will be able to make those people to think that, yes, our leader is giving us an opportunity to work. He's trying to share. So let people think that you are not only having a power, but you are empowering those power, where in empowering, you are able to give them a delegate or give them a chance to show the caliber. That's most important for us in an organization. And it's rightly said by the Starbucks former chairman and CEO, Howard, you can't build any kind of organization if you are not going to surround yourself with people who have experience and skill base beyond your own. It's one thing, like you have to always learn people who are there around us. If I don't try to learn with the people and say that whatever is there with me, I am the best, you are going to follow me, then you cannot be a powerful leader. If you want to be a powerful leader, you need to share, you need to care, you need to make things across. That's most important. Thank you very much.